We first hired ImprovCity because in my office, we forgot how to get to know each other and relate to each other. So I came to a show and then I thought, wow, this might be pretty good. So we had a workshop and it was amazing to see how everybody actually got to know each other again and kind of break down barriers. For my salespeople, we wanted to get them to think more broad than what their normal sales roles are. One of the things that we learned was this concept of yes anding, and we're like, where can we use that in our sales force? Where are we saying no to opportunities? Big thing for us is team building. We wanted everybody on the same page. I just wanted something to get out of the office, get out of our heads, and just have a good time with the people we spent all this time with. And it was better than I could have ever expected.
One of the things that we at ImprovCity try to strive with our corporate workshops is really getting people out of their comfort zones, but being comfortable getting out of their comfort zones. Team building is a huge thing. We have hundreds of different activities and exercises that we do to get people to really work together as a team, public speaking, not being afraid to fail. And if you are failing, using that failure to build upon what works. Really not being afraid to just trust your instinct and that no idea is a bad idea. We have done corporate workshops for small family-owned businesses of 5 to 6 people to as many as 1,500 to 2,000 people for a Fortune 500 company. We've traveled all over the US. We are just excited to continue to be offering corporate workshops. One of the best things that people get out of the corporate workshops is learning skills that they already have. While people are having fun and laughing and having a good time, they don't even realize that they're learning important skills that they will use in their everyday life. If you're looking for something that would work for you, we are more than happy to customize a corporate workshop for you. You can contact us, travel anywhere. We're always available. Let us know. We can do something fun for you.